Stop sounding like a textbook. If you want to text like a real native speaker, this video is for you. Hey friends, how are you all doing today? Hope you're feeling great, or as we say in real chats, what's up? You good? All okay? I'm Neha and welcome to day 5 of our shadowing practice series. If you missed day 1 to day 4, go check them out later. Each one helps you sound more natural in English. Today, we're practicing 100 real phrases people actually use while texting on WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, wherever you talk to your friends. Short, casual, native style. Grab your phone and repeat after me. Let's chat like a native.
Let's begin with fun and friendly ways to start a chat. Hey, what's going on? Just wanted to say hi. How's your day? It's been a while. Missed our chats. Good morning. Slept okay? Yo, you there? Now let's make some easy, friendly plans. Want to grab coffee tomorrow? Let me know. How about hanging out this weekend? I'm free after 6. What about you? Let's go for a walk. I need fresh air. I'll check my calendar. We'll get back to you.
Here's how you can react naturally in messages. No way. Are you serious? That's insane. Tell me more. Oh, that's adorable. What? I did not expect that. You just made my day. Thanks. Sometimes you just want to say, I'm done. Here's how. I'm totally drained. Need a break. Running on low battery. Can't focus right now. Let's talk later. Super swamped today. We'll ping you soon. My brain's on vacation. Let's learn polite ways to say sorry or explain yourself. Oops, just saw your message. My phone died. Just got it back on. Sorry I vanished. Got caught up in stuff. I fell asleep mid-chat. My bad. I totally forgot to reply. So sorry. Want to make your chats more heartwarming? Try these. You're such a vibe. That made me blush. I can't stop smiling. You're on my mind all the time. I love talking to you. It makes my day. Now let's agree or disagree like a native speaker. 100% agree. You nailed it. Totally with you on that. I don't think so, but maybe I'm wrong. I see your point. Let me think. We agree to disagree. Want to send a pic or voice message? Use these. Wait, I'll send a voice note. Just look at this outfit. I took this for you. Hope you like it. Want to see what I made? Sending now. Here's a sneak peek. Don't tell anyone. When it's time to say bye, keep it natural. I'll talk to you later. BRB, just grabbing snacks. Heading to bed now. Good night. Catch you tomorrow. Same time. Bye for now. Stay awesome. Now, emojis that bring your words to life. Feeling great today. That was hilarious. Not in the mood. Fingers crossed. We did it. Let's continue with friendly ways to follow up or check in again. Just checking in again. Did you see my message? Any update? Just curious. No pressure. Take your time. Let me know when you're free. Haven't heard from you in a bit. Everything okay? Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic. Food. I'm starving. What are you eating? Just had the best pasta ever. Craving something sweet? Any ideas? Let's order something. I'm too lazy to cook. made something yummy today. Want to see?
Sometimes we just want to talk because we're bored. Here's how. I'm so bored. Entertain me. Doing nothing. What about you? Wish you were here. It's too quiet. Just lying in bed, thinking about random stuff. Want a video call? I need company.
Want to sound natural when you just want to say something random? Try these. Random thought. Why do we never dream in color? I just remembered something funny. Can I rant for a sec? This just popped into my head. Don't laugh. But I miss school days.
Let's make someone's day with a nice text. Here's how to compliment like a pro. You looked amazing in that photo. Your smile is everything. You're honestly so kind. I admire that. I love your vibe. So easy to talk to.
Your messages always cheer me up. Want to be funny in your chats? Try these natural reactions. I can't stop laughing. You're hilarious. Bro, you're too much. That joke was so bad. It's good, LOL. You're a whole comedian. I'm literally crying from laughing.
Need help? Here's how to ask casually in a message. Quick question, can you help me out? Do you think this looks okay? Be honest. I'm stuck. What would you do? Any idea what this means? Should I go for it or wait? I'm confused.
Sometimes we just need to share how we feel. These help. Feeling kinda low today. I don't know why, but I feel off. Can I vent a little? Just not myself today. Thanks for always listening. It means a lot.
Want to make your chats more playful and fun? Try these. Guess what? You won't believe it. I dare you. Just kidding. Let's play 20 questions. Your turn. You're not ready for this tea. I have a story to tell you. Buckle up.
Let's finish with some kind and heartwarming phrases. Sleep tight. Text me tomorrow. Stay safe out there. I care about you. Don't forget to smile today. I'm lucky to have you. Truly. Talk soon. Miss you already.
You did it! All 100 phrases. That's the end of day 5, and now you can text like a real native speaker. Confident, casual, and cool. Practice these every day, and soon people will be asking, wait, are you a native speaker? Drop your favorite phrase in the comments. I'd love to see which one you'll use first. And hey, if this helped you, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss day 6 tomorrow. Until then, keep chatting, keep shadowing, and always keep leveling up your English with me, Neha.